Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can insert a reference image in your image generation projects on Adobe Firefly. For instance, if you'd like to give the artificial intelligence for context, for example, an image in PNG or JPEG file format, of course, sorry. So let us guide you through this. So navigate to Adobe Firefly, and here in your main menu on Firefly, what you want to do is either navigate to generation history or to your library under your stuff to the left, and navigate to the given image or create a new one by selecting create here or new here and select image. Now let me navigate to my library, and from here what you want to do is, let me just navigate to generation history, and from here click into this button. So guys, what you want to do is expand the reference image tab here to the left. So with my current account status I can use up to 6 of these entries. What you need to do is click into this button, and after that you will see that typical window here that will allow you to navigate to the given file on your device, like in JPEG or PNG file format, so that you may upload it, wait for the upload process to be finished. And yeah, that's basically it. You may also insert an additional information here in the prompt below, that there is a reference image and what you exactly would like to have applied from the reference image, for example, the overall style or the context or the same topic. And that's one way. The other way would be to navigate to the edit tab here at the top. And here you will see also that option here with these reference images at the bottom. So you may click into these. You may also use your image generations here as references. That's also an option. So, or you may remove the given reference by clicking to X button here. And that's it, guys. Now I'll need to start all over with a new image generation. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.